Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to log someone out of your Netflix account. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open it, and after that, go to your profile. After that, go and click on My Netflix on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on Account. And here on Account, as you can see, there is an option called Access and Devices. You have just to click on it and look to whatever device you want to kick out from your account. For example, I will choose this, and you have just to click on it and click on sign out, and like that this device will be signed out from your account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next